Introducing the Residential Cleaning Work Order Invoice Business Form from Whitco.
It is a cost-effective business form. The form is very easy to use, is extremely convenient, provides a physical paper trail. Most importantly, you can get a signature on it.
Welcome to Business Forms and More with Tom, and I'm Tom. Today we're talking about the 6579 Residential Cleaning Work Order Invoice Business Form. In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently organize your residential cleaning tasks using this form. Also, we'll be walking you through each section of the form, giving you the highlights, details, and advantages for using them. Stay on top of your cleaning schedule and streamline your process with the help of this useful tool. Whether you're a professional cleaner or managing your own household chores, implementing work order forms can make a big difference in keeping your space tidy and clutter-free. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to the more organized cleaning routine. One of the biggest benefits of using work order forms is the sense of control and clarity that they provide. By breaking down complex tasks into manageable chunks, you can tackle each task individually without feeling overwhelmed by the bigger picture. So what are the key advantages of utilizing work order forms for residential cleaning? Once again, let me walk you through the 6579 Residential Cleaning Work Order Invoice. In a nutshell, it's all about improved efficiency, clarity, and control. By having a structured system in place, you'll be able to track cleaning tasks with confidence, freeing up time and energy for others. I encourage you to try implementing work order forms in your own cleaning routines and share your experiences in the comments below. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. This is the business information and logo personalized imprint area. The imprinting is free, and there are no options to ink color, as it is standardized to minimize product costs. For those not having a company logo, we have a number of business designs that are available, again at no additional cost. Company logos would be in one color only and be the same as the business information imprinting. Consecutive numbering is available with most forms. It is a great management tool. Personally, I would not run a business without utilizing a business tool like this. You may not require all of this information today, but it's there if you need it. A checklist on a form is an essential tool for enhancing efficiency, accuracy, consistency, and accountability in business processes. It provides a simple yet effective way to ensure that all necessary tasks are completed correctly and thoroughly. A detailed description of the work area on a business form is essential for ensuring clarity, efficiency, accountability, and safety in business operations. It helps all parties involved to have a clear understanding of the scope and location of the work to be performed. A terms area on a business form is a critical component that helps establish clear, legally binding agreements, ensures transparency, and provides protection for both the business and the customer. Obtaining a customer signature is a critical step in formalizing agreements, ensuring mutual understanding, and providing legal protection for both the business and the customer. If this form does not meet your particular business needs, other options are available.
I am the Clean Sweep Genie. Working together we can make quick work of the situation by minimizing costs and increasing productivity. This is our cleaning service proposal form. It incorporates a checklist which is vital if your goal is to enhance efficiency. Next is the cleaning proposal form where you put everything in writing and get a signature on it. The Cleaning Services Work Order Invoice form details the work accomplished and provides the project's price to the customer. No need to create another document to ask for payment. This, of course, is our residential cleaning work order invoice form with a checklist. As the name implies, it is best used for residential services. Once again, the goal is to detail the work accomplished and provides the project's price to the customer. Being very specific, this form is for those businesses that are devoted to cleaning carpets. The carpet cleaning work order form details the work accomplished and provides the price to the customer. It makes everything simple and easy. To lower your bottom line, these are stock standard forms produced several thousand at a time to minimize production costs. As requested, an order is personalized and shipped in a relatively short period of time. They present a very professional image at a fraction of the cost. Take a few minutes to browse our website, as there are other products available that you use on a daily basis. We have a few proverbs for you today. A good janitor is like a ninja. You never see them, but the place is spotless. We handle more crap before 9 a.m. than most people do all day. If cleanliness is next to godliness, we're saints in rubber gloves. A janitor's life: mop, sweep, repeat, and occasionally laugh at the chaos. Messes happen, it's our job to make sure they don't linger.
This is the home page of our website, Whitco Business and Office Supplies. The first thing you'll notice is that we have available for your convenience banking supplies, which includes business and personal checks, deposit slips, money bags, stamps, and much more. Products specific to a variety of businesses is the focus of this page. We will be clicking on the cleaning janitorial link. Displayed is our page for cleaning forms and other products for your business. Scrolling down the page, we are searching for the residential cleaning work order invoice form being discussed today. Selecting either the form, image, or the description will take you to our Order Online site. At your convenience, we'd suggest taking a few minutes to check out the links in the maroon banner just under the heading of this page. Let's talk about the number 6579 form. We feel confident you will find placing an order to be convenient and easy. As we scroll down the quantity box, you'll notice the discounted price is automatically adjusting to your selection. If the quantity desired isn't shown, we'd be glad to get you a price quote. By selecting Customize, you'll have the ability to personalize your form. As a side notation, in case you're interested, at the bottom of the page is a link to our customer feedback pages. Quite honestly, I have been humbled by the many gracious comments.
Many cleaning service providers struggle with invoicing, which can lead to confusion, delayed payments, and lost revenue. The consequences of inadequate invoicing can be severe, affecting your cash flow, damaging your reputation, and even putting your business at risk. Without a clear and professional invoice, it's easy to get stuck in a cycle of chasing late payments and dealing with frustrated clients. This stress can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to focus on delivering high-quality services to your customers. Moreover, a poorly designed invoice can also lead to misunderstandings about the scope of work, pricing, and payment terms, causing unnecessary disputes and headaches. In the end, it's essential to have a reliable and efficient invoicing system in place to ensure your business runs smoothly.
When you have a few minutes, it's hoped that you will check out our website and the YouTube videos we have on our channels. We would appreciate a like and the subscribing to our channel. Clicking on the bell will tell you when more videos are uploaded and published. Your comments will guide us as we produce more videos. Thank you for your visit. Hopefully the information provided will be of value and help you grow your business.